Hello and welcome to Cosmic Torch. In this session, I'm going to talk about Pancha Mahapurusha yogas. These yogas are based on the placement of certain planets in the horoscope. One by one, we'll look at the name of the yoga and with the reference to which planet it is and what does it confer upon the individual. The first is Ruchaka Yoga. Ruchaka Yoga is based on the placement of Mars, planet Mars, either in its own sign or exalted condition and in Kendra, is supposed to confer Ruchaka Yoga upon the individual. As you know, the own sign of Mars owns two signs, Aries and Scorpio. And it is exalted in Capricorn. So if Mars is present either in its own sign or in the exalted condition and is in Kendra. Kendra means from the ascendant being in the first position or the fourth position or seventh position or 10th position. 1, 4, 7, 10 are Kendras. So person who possesses this yoga in the horoscope is conferred with popularity, prosperity, and name and fame. The second in Pancha Mahapurusha yogas is Bhadra Yoga. Bhadra Yoga is with reference to placement of Mercury. Mercury being in its own sign. Own signs of Mercury include Gemini and Virgo. Or in exaltation, Mercury is exalted in Virgo and being in Kendra. This is called Bhadra Yoga, and this confers upon the individual eloquence, memory, and a high power or a position in the society. The third is Hansa Yoga, and this is based on the placement of Jupiter. Jupiter being in its own sign. Jupiter owns Sagittarius and Pisces. Being in own sign or in exalted condition. Jupiter is exalted in Cancer. So either being in the exalted condition or in the own sign and being in Kendra confers Hansa Yoga upon the individual. And this provides intellectual capability and a spiritual inclination to the individual. The fourth is Malavya Yoga, which is based on the placement of Venus. Venus being in the exalted condition. Exaltation of Venus is in Pisces. Own sign or exaltation. Venus owns Taurus and Libra, of course. And exaltation is in Pisces and being in Kendra. Confers Malavya Yoga, and the person is very wise, prosperous, and this yoga also confers marital happiness upon the individual. The fifth is Shasha Yoga, based on Saturn's placement either in exaltation or in own sign. Saturn owns Capricorn and Aquarius, and it is exalted in Libra, being in exalted condition or own sign and in Kendra. Confers Shasha Yoga upon the individual, and such individuals are very successful in politics, and they might get an authoritative position in the society. In addition, this yoga also confers longevity on the individual. So these are Pancha Mahapurusha yogas. I'll see you in the next session.